Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you stopped by today. Today's kind of a weird day for me because I got asked out of a job because of the bad weather today, and the place that I was going to go clean today is about an hour and 10 minutes out, and they always get worse weather than we do. So while it's really not doing much here, it has already started icing there, but ours is coming because the weather, or the not the weather, the temperature has dropped like 10 degrees. So it's coming, it's starting to sprinkle. So we're gonna be iced in probably a couple days this week. So I am planning on just like hitting some areas in my room pretty hard. My bedroom needs some attention, so I'm gonna be giving it attention today. I haven't redecorated it since Christmas. I've just been kind of like, I really don't know what I want to do in there yet. So, and I have tons of decor in the garage or whatever. I haven't put like my pillows back on the bed or anything like that. The first thing I'm gonna do is strip the sheets and just give it a really good clean because it does need that. It's dusty and grimy and all those things. So before we get to all the fun stuff today, I wanted to talk just a little bit about today's sponsor, and it is Fitville. I am so excited to be sponsored by them today. They reached out to me, told me I could pick out any pair of shoes I wanted, so I chose the Women's Recovery Brisk Walk slip-on shoes. I am on my feet all the time, and so I thought these would be great for me. I'll tell you more about the benefits of these shoes shortly, but let's go ahead and get these shoes unboxed. They came packaged very nicely. I chose the color Redwood in these shoes, and they are so pretty. They're really pretty, like it's more like a dusty rose or a mauve color. I normally choose black or white in everything I get, so I decided to try a different color and just to, shake it up a bit. So I'm gonna put these on and we are gonna try these out. I was going to walk in them outside and show them to you, but with the weather, I just can't do that. So we're just gonna use them inside and try them out.
Fitville shoes are constructed with three core concepts: therapeutic, comfort, and support technology. Their patented Propel Core technology, made of dual-density sole, anti-skid rubber, heel ring, removable insoles, and shock-absorbing pad, is a magical mix in creating the most supportive shoe. And with their innovative Comfort Plus technology, it transforms EVA materials into dual-density sole, which brings you to an unprecedented level of cushioning and ease. They have such good support in these shoes. I will have to tell you that I absolutely love them. I'm kind of a shoe snob when it comes to tennis shoes, so I was really impressed with these shoes. They have given me a 30% off coupon code, which I will have on the screen, and I will also have the link to this website down below, to the shoes and my coupon code in the description box. Y'all have got to go try them out. They have some beautiful shoes. It's also an athleisure company, so they have hoodies and other things like that, and they have some beautiful things. They actually have a pair of leopard flats on there that I'm going to probably purchase because they are beautiful, and they have them in several different colors. So if you don't want just tennis shoes, then you can choose from flats and other types of shoes too. They have slides, flip-flops, all kinds of stuff. So you really need to go on there and check it out for yourself. Thank you so much, Fitville, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Okay, y'all, let's get this bedroom cleaned up. As you can see, I've started taking the sheets off, taking the insert out of the duvet cover. I'm going to put all this stuff in the washer. I just love having clean sheets at night and clean duvet cover. It just makes your sleep so much better. So I was so excited to be getting this done. Also, I said that I was going to be just cleaning the bedroom in this video, but I'm not. As you can tell, my laundry room's a wreck. So I'm also going to be cleaning my laundry room too. So y'all keep hanging out with me. If you were around for any of my Christmas Decorate With Me videos, you've seen that I brought this table into my bedroom during that time, and I am just enjoying it here so much that I'm going to leave it because it's not real thick and it doesn't take up a lot of room, but it has a lot of presence. I'm probably going to get a lamp or something to go on it. I'm not for sure what I'm going to do yet, but in the meantime, Matt has several books beside his bed, and so I thought I would bring them over here and put them on the bottom shelf along with some of his prized possessions, which is some artwork that one of his uncles did, and also there are 2 pieces of artwork that I'm going to put over here that his mother did. His mother was a very, very talented lady. She was a minister, she was an author, and she was an artist. And one of the pieces that I'm going to put up here was actually graded by her teacher, Norman Rockwell. And I was just blown away by this because he was her teacher before anybody else knew him. That's how many years ago it was that she did that. But I just always thought that was the coolest thing, and I always want to keep his memories out on display for him. And that is just such a special piece to us. If you're wondering who I'm watching on YouTube, it's Kirsty Pickens that is up on my screen. She has a cooking channel and is amazing. She's such a sweet friend. Since she's on my screen, I thought I would just go ahead and plug her real quick. I'm just going to put some very simple decor on my dresser, nothing major. I'm really enjoying simple looks right now after Christmas. Just having that, I don't know, uncluttered feeling has been really nice. And so until I decide what I want to do for spring up there, I'm just going to leave it very, very simple. If you're new here today, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you're enjoying this video. Make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll know when all my upcoming videos are happening. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I love my returning besties. So thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. I will be starting my decluttering series throughout the month of February. I'm getting ready to just pretty much throw my whole house out. Probably not, but that's what I feel like. Anyway, I'll be starting that very, very soon, probably in the next couple videos. So I'm very excited about that because I am ready to just, I love the feeling, the freeing feeling of decluttering. So I'm very excited to do that. So I've probably told y'all before that my husband is a little OCD about our bedding. It has to be like tucked in a certain way and whatever. So I had him come in to help me do the bedding, which he really doesn't mind at all. And I was really grateful for the help because you know how stuffing a duvet can be. It's exhausting. So I was excited that he was able to come in and help me on this night and appreciated it so much. So let me know in the comments down below, do y'all have any goals to do in your home for the month of February? I told y'all I was wanting to declutter and organize a bunch of spaces in my house, but I also have a huge project coming up that I'm going to be doing in my house. I'm going to switch my office and my guest bedroom, and I went to IKEA not too long ago and bought a new duvet cover and some new pillows. For that makeover for my guest room. I've got my paint color picked out for my accent wall, so I am so excited to get that started, but honestly can't get it started till I declutter those rooms because, well, you'll just see when I video it because it's a mess. There's just too much junk in there. But anyway, so let me know in the comments below what goals y'all have for your house this month. Moving on to my laundry room now, which is a disaster, as you can tell. I needed to refill some of my little glass containers and just clean off things on the top there. Everything needed to be wiped down. It needed a good vacuum, just all the things. So it felt so good to get this freshened back up. I'm wanting to redo my laundry room too, but I haven't told my husband because he's going to kill me, but we'll just sneak that in later. But I think I would like to do the back wall black, like that tricorn black as an accent wall. I don't know. I kind of painted it the bright color because it's such a small room. It brightens it up so much. But I really like the look of black accent walls. I just love it. And that's probably one of the only places in my house that I could do it and get away with it. So let me know in the comments what y'all think below, what colors I should paint my laundry room. Well, I'm showing you my nice clean spaces, which I am enjoying so much, y'all. I may not always like the work that goes along with getting the clean spaces, but I sure do enjoy them clean spaces once I get it done. But while I'm showing you that, I just wanted to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really enjoyed having you here. Let me know in the comments down below if you cleaned along with me or if you were just chilling out and watching and getting motivation for later. I love to talk to y'all so much in the comments, so let me know. And also thank you so much to Fitville for sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure that you go down in my description box, get that coupon code, go over to their website, check it out. You will probably find something that you like over there. They just have a wide array of so many different things. All right, y'all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.